Every weekend, this Toronto Mexican restaurant prepares a Mexican buffet.
Okay, what am I feeling today?
El Sazon Mexicano opened its doors in 2019, and at the same time, it started its rotating weekend buffet.
This starts because we want that the people that lives here, that is Mexican, come and eat all the buffet because it's the way that we eat on Mexico. And Mexican food is not only tacos. We have all kind of food that you can find in Mexico.
Time for the buffet. Obviously gonna have some rice, because can't go wrong with rice. Maybe I'll put some beans on the side. Since I'm already here, I'll try some pork and peanut sauce. This is gonna be delish. All right, time to feast. We got so much going on here. Everything goes so well with the rice. I like that. Very flavorful. This dish is pozole. You could put on some garnish. I have radishes and cabbage. There's a lot of meat. Got a bunch of tostadas that I can dip in it. I'm really enjoying this. Holy. Okay, having a second soup. This is called menudo or pancita. It just depends on what region in Mexico you're from. There's some onions for garnish that they added on here. Oh wow, it's spicy a little. I like it.
Visit El Sazon Mexicano for a Mexican buffet on Saturdays and Sundays from 12 to 5 p.m. at 1278 St. Clair Avenue West.